You better not throw it at me.
Oh, you're going the wrong way, Abby.
Oh, you little booger, you. Get him, Tony, get him.
Abby had to turn.
Throw the ball for, hey, throw the ball for Tony. Not the camera.
Yeah.
Not the camera.
Tony,
Henry, you want to go down with your daddy? Come on, Henry and Ben's turn. Let's go. Here we go. Woo!
let's go together. Abby, I want to go all three of us. I want to do it too. Yeah. Oh yeah, okay. Okay, so lightest to heaviest. So I'm lightest.
Car.
Car.
Car. All clear. How'd you like that curve, Ben? Yeah. Come on, buddy. Okay, we'll clean them off.
I'm gonna fall wide.
You better not, Ann.
Run! Run!
Whoopsie.